Hi everyone. So here's your virtual day assignment. You're going to go to your calendar and here it says virtual day 12/6 and it says link to assignment. Click here. So you'll be working today with Yearbook Avenue. Okay, log into Yearbook Avenue. Your login name is your school Chromebook login and your password is your ID/lunch number and the job number is on the front page of the class. So if we click this open, here's our Yearbook Avenue login page. Here's our job number. So this should be what you see. Make sure your year is 2022. Your job number goes here. Here's your username. And then make sure you put in your password. Okay. All right, so this is where you should land. And let's look back at our instructions, shall we? Once you are logged in, find the stack of pancakes on the top right and click on it. So I said, find the stack of pancakes. You may or may not need to do this because depending on the size of your screen, it puts the stack of pancakes right here. Okay, not this stack of pancakes, right? This doesn't do anything for us. So you may have a stack of pancakes up here that will give you this drop down menu that's currently at the top of here. So like on my desktop, I don't have that. I have the stack of pancakes. You're going to click on the create button. This will open up a submenu and click on page ladder. Here's create. Here's my submenu. Here's page ladder. Okay. Then it says after the page ladder opens up, click on a 2-page spread. This is a 1 page. This is not a spread. These down here, 2 through 3, 4 through 5, that's a 2-page spread. So I'll just click on 4 and 5. You need to double click. And then you should be at a 2-page spread with 2 yearbook pages open to one another. And once that opens up, on the left-hand side, second from the top is the word designs, and you're going to click on that. All right. So mine already opened up to designs, but it should start on pages. Yours may start in designs. So here's our designs tab. So a designs tab will open up and you should see a drop-down menu under a search function. The drop-down menu has your list of different styles to be used in the books. These are styles, colors and fonts can be changed, and you are looking at the layouts available to us, how things are put together on the page. So this is it may show up with you on this, okay? But what you'll do is you'll click themes, and then you're going to look through these themes. So I'll start with ambition. So you're going to scroll through each of the themes, clicking on the different ones. We already have our theme, which is This Is Us. These are the particular design elements for how we want to style our book. You're going to look at the title page, student life, etc. So, for example, let's look at student life for ambition. Okay. Looks like there's 2 different spread styles. So if this isn't big enough for you, what you can do is you can click and drag it onto the page. And then you're going to hit no. So as you can see, this would be a picture. You'd have and it like shows you how to do what everything's going to be. Okay. So here's a text box. This would be a story right here in student life. This would be a story in student life. I'm a quote that is super neat with their student name, a creative caption, a quote, a quote, a caption, a caption. So this would have different photos. Okay. And then it says like ambition because this is the main theme. So we would change things like ambition. Maybe that's what this is going to be about. I don't know. But that's what we have to decide. So to get rid of all of this and to look at another aspect, hit Control A to select everything, and then your backspace button or your delete button will get rid of everything. And you can look at the academic spreads now. Let's look at this one. You drag it, you hit no, and then you can zoom in to see what's happening. That's very zoomed in. You can zoom in to see what's happening. Okay. So this would be a student group name, bucket list, an all caps lead in. I'm a quote that's super neat. It has interesting visual impact and actually has interesting content. Okay. So this is where you would get, and things can be removed. So if you don't want one picture here, you want two pictures here, then you would click on it and hit delete. Pretty simple. So again, we'll hit all and delete. So there's ambition. You've got all of these to look through. Okay. These right here, module page surfer, click and grow. We don't need these. We don't need to look at those. We're just looking at like what's in we. Let's look at the student life pages. Okay. And remember, colors, fonts, that can all be changed unless you like it just the way it is. Okay. So here you go. Now, when you've chosen your 3 that you like the most, for instance, you want to get out of here, it's going to ask you if you want to like keep your changes, leave your changes, like don't make it. All right. You're going to go to the vote page. And then you're going to choose your 3 that you like. So the whole list is repeated 3 times. So if I were you, I would have like a pen and paper, pencil and paper, Google Doc, whatever. I like making a statement, limitless, and varsity twist. Submit. You're done. Okay. All right. If you guys have any questions, let me know. All right. Bye.